Hey guys, today we're working on the Corjl editable template fundraiser calendar. Um, Notice we replaced image. That made sure that the photo went inside the square. Also, when you replace image, it makes sure that it ends up in the same place. If it has any effects, it'll have the effects on it too. So replacing the month. Okay, you can change the colors of the month. One thing I've noticed, it doesn't like it if you go all the way up in the corner for the white or all the way down in the bottom corner for the black. It seems to mess it up for some reason. You can use the layers menu on the side to find items that are behind other items. If you need to change their color, okay, I found the glitter background and I replaced it. Found the closest. I was able to darken it a little bit to get it to the right color since I didn't have the exact glitter color. Okay, there's a dripper that allows you to change the text easily, the colors. There's a stroke on this one. There's lots of different effects you can do as well. You can play around with that. Just changing the different colors, trying to make everything match. If you see this video and you don't want to do it yourself, you want us to do it for you, we can absolutely do that. Just send us a message through Etsy or to our email at CANDDDESIGNSCO@gmail.com. Okay, we're altering the text, putting in our text. Notice I highlighted and hit the TT button there that allowed it to all go to uppercase. Okay, notice the font went to 2 lines there. You can basically stretch it to make it longer and it'll pop back into the 1 line. Okay, if you click the resize this image button, will allow you to squash or stretch the text as well. Once you have it good to go, you save it on the left side, and then you can use one of your downloads, and it's as easy as that. You're good to go, ready to post online. Any questions, just reach out to us. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you.